Hi, I'm Darcy Brandel, and I'm a poet, activist, death doula, and lecturer in the residential college at U of M, where I teach courses that explore the intersections between the arts and activism. I'm honored to share one of my poems with you today. I'm drawn to intersections because they're places of convergence, of joining, of unification, and necessary complexity. The poem I'm sharing today explores the convergence of queer identity, white supremacy, and Buddhist practice, and how the notion of non-dualism can open up space for the possibility of sacred becoming. The sound of one queer grappling. This breath exists, goes in and out, in and out, in and out. Of course, so does my habitual thinking, fucking normativity. Identity is kind of like that, a fleeting moment, a moth, a cottonseed, a wolf spider, something to be contemplated, harrowed and undone, when words are adjectives and verbs at the same time, both. And then sex. What is this strange, fluid performance, sensation, rising and falling? The world's most explosive koan, smacking me right in the face, hitting home, pavement, bare ass skin. A neutral, a pony, a metonym, standing in, pretending, arriving, a song. Contemplating the continuum, where does one breath end and the next begin? A chokehold, a knee, without warrant. When is a whole a center? When will I love myself in this moment as I am? Because no body is wrong, except sometimes a coercion. This is hard, a cock crowing, a monk bowing, the infinite violence, impermanence, wisdom of my own cellular being. Look at me. I'm here despite fear, and each moment is brand new. Thank you.